Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where you will find lots of useful things for babies, toddlers and young children. In this video, I will be reading a very interesting book called Chimpanzees for Tea by Empson. So, let's get started. Hey, Vincent. This cupboard is looking a bit bare. Can you rush to the shops and get a bunch of carrots, a box of rice, some China tea, a big farm pear, a tin of peas, and hurry home in time for tea. Good day, Vincent. Sorry, can't you stop, Mr. Singh? I have got to rush to the shops and get a bunch of carrots, a box of rice, some China tea, a big farm pear, a tin of peas, and hurry home in time for tea. But, oh no, the list. Mr. Vincent lost his list, and now he's trying to remember. What was it? A bunch of carrots? A box of rice? Some China tea? A big farm pear? What was it? A trapeze? And hurry home in time for tea. Vincent. Sorry. Can't stop, Mr. Small. I have got to rush to the shops and get a bunch of carrots, a box of rice, some China tea. Ah. Oh. A big furry bear, a trapeze, and hurry home in time for tea. Hey, Vincent. Sorry, can't stop, Mr. Wood. I've got to rush to the shops and get a bunch of carrots, a box of rice, some chimpanzees, a big furry bear, a trapeze, and hurry home in time for tea. Today, Sir Vincent. Sorry, can't stop, Monsieur Bags. I have got to rush to the shops and get a bunch of carrots, a box of mice, some chimpanzees, a big furry bear, a trapeze, and hurry home in time for tea. Ah, Vincent. Sorry, can't stop, Mr. Ray. I have got to rush to the shops and get bunch of parrots, a box of mice, some chimpanzees, a big furry bear, a trapeze. Hurry home and invite them all in for tea. Everyone is on the table having a tea. For John, with love and thanks. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the book. Remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my video, press the like button and share with your family and friends. Hope to see you in the next video.